organization. I'm coming from Bangladesh. My organization working in all the sector in our countries, also internationally, and on priority issue in gig economy in my organization. Last 7 years, I am fighting for these issues for Amazon workers, especially Black Friday in Bangladesh. Two people are fighting in these issues. One is myself, another, the other ladies. Her name is Nazma Akhtar. Both we are fighting these issues, but we are continue working the worker, communicate to the worker, find out the workers' findings and their problems. Basically, that as a Bangladeshi, when we starting the advocating these issues, that time we know this is coming from our countries. In last 7 years, we find out lots of workers joining this program, this gig economy, and this is right every day in more and more workers joining in here, and especially the youth. So, number of speakers talking here, very important things, but I am coming in here because of request. It is very important for in our countries, the workers have no any access, any communication. Where are they going to talk to these issues? Who are support to them? No any support in gig economy or gig workers from Bangladesh. And another thing, in our law not covered for as a workers, and they organize and going to be joining the trade union. So that's why it is very important issue you are talking to here, and my request is we are starting a network. If everybody are joining in this our network, we are already coming here is 5 organizations in Bangladesh, and on secretariat here we are 6 starting the Bangladesh campaign on labor rights issues, and we are stall in the main venue 61 stall. This evening, if you time, we can sit together, talk this type of issues, and we are going to be in future planning how to engagement our international campaign for gig economy workers or worker rights issues. That Sikandar Ali said, we met to the South-South Solidarity Trade Unions. If you like, you can visit in our stall, and we are already starting the database in future communication. And also brother said you make the WhatsApp group.